First of all, I offer my humble obeisances on the lotus feet of my Guru Padma Om Vishnu Nityalila Prashna Vishnu Padashata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj Ji and Nityalila Prashna Vishnu Padashata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj Ji afterwards
Nityalila Pravishtam
Nityalila
Vishnupad
Prashna Vishnu Pad
Ashtodara
Ashtota Shrimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and presented sannyasis and all the Vaishnava and Vaishnavis, Matravrinda, Gaur Bhaktavrinda, listeners of Harikatha and mothers, I offer my Danut Pranam to everyone.
এতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনারা বিভিন্ন বক্তা
Till now, you have listened from many different speakers.
বৈষ্ণব তত্ত্ব
You have listened about Vaishnav Tattva,
ভাগবত তত্ত্ব
Bhagavad Tattva,
এবং ভগবত তত্ত্বের
and
বিচার
Bhagavad
আপনারা
Tattva.
শ্রবণ করলেন।
You listen till now.
এই সম্বন্ধে আমি দুই একটি কথা আপনাদের নিকট প্রস্তুত করছি।
I will speak few words about these topics today.
শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবত কথামৃতম শ্রবণ করতে যাচ্ছি।
Today we will start listening Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam
Shukdev Goswami Pad
is wrote by Sri Vyasadeva. Shukdev Goswami Pad.
শ্রবণ করিয়েছেন।
He told this Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj.
তিনি জানতে পেরেছিলেন
And Parikshit Maharaj, he knows
যে 7 দিন
after 7 days
তার মৃত্যু হবে।
he will die.
কি করে তার মৃত্যু হবে?
How he will die?
না,
Takshana,
বিষধর
the most poisonous snake.
তাকে এসে দংশন করবে।
He will bite him.
অভিশপ্ত হয়েছিলেন।
He was cursed. He was cursed. Parikshit Maharaj was cursed
যে শ্রমিক ঋষির পুত্র
by the Shamik Rishi's son, Shingi Rishi.
সিংহ ঋষি
Shingi Rishi.
তাকে অভিশাপ
He cursed to Parikshit Maharaj Ji.
তিনি জলের অনুসন্ধান করেছিলেন। পরীক্ষিত মহারাজ কৃষ্ণার জন্য ছটফট হয়ে
Parikshit Maharaj Ji, he was very thirsty. He was searching for the water, but because he was not able to find the water, so he went to Shamik Rishi ashram.
তখন শ্রমিক ঋষি
At that time, Shamik Rishi,
ধ্যানস্থ হয়ে
he was meditating.
পরীক্ষিত মহারাজ
Parikshit Maharaj,
অভিমান হয়ে
with so much ego,
রাজা
he's thinking that I am king. With his ego of king,
আদেশ করলেন আমাকে জল
he gave instruction to Shamik Rishi, give me water now, give me water.
কিন্তু তখন ঋষিবর
But Rishi,
তিনি ধ্যানস্থ ছিলেন।
he was in meditation.
মহারাজ বারবার
Parikshit Maharaj, again and again, he was saying, requesting again and give me water, give me water.
তার আদেশ পালন হয় নাই।
But because his instruction was not followed,
ক্রোধা ক্রোধে
then with his anger,
তিনি দেখলেন কি
what he saw nearby, there was
সাপ পড়েছিল।
dead snake was dead snake.
মৃত হয়ে গেছিল।
Dead snake was nearby.
সর্পটাকে তিনি
So he took that dead snake with his
তিনি ঋষির গলায় পরিয়ে দিলেন।
bow,
হ্যাঁ?
and then he put in the neck of Maharaj Ji. Why he did this? Because his instruction was not followed. Because he had this ego that I am a king, my instruction should be followed, my order should be followed. I need water, I should get water now. He didn't give me water.
এই জন্য তিনি
That's why with the anger,
এই মৃত সর্পটিকে
he took the dead snake on his bow and he put in the neck of the rishi.
ঠিক সেই সময়
At the same time,
শ্রমিক ঋষির
Shamik
পুত্র,
Rishi's son,
ছোট বালক
small boy,
শৃঙ্গি,
Shringi,
বালক তো ছোট
very small boy,
কিন্তু তার বুদ্ধির প্রভাবে তার
he has so much He has so much power. He has so much power.
ये संग संग सुनते करो
When he heard
ये कोनो एक व्यक्ति
some person some person have put the dead snake in the neck of my father. When he heard that, then at same time Shingi Rishi he cursed to that person, that the person who have put the dead snake in the neck of my father, after 7 days the most poisonous snake Takshak will bite him and will make him dead. When Shamik Rishi he came out from his meditation, then he saw the dead snake in his neck. At that same time, Shingi Rishi he said, my father, the person who gave this dead snake to your neck, I gave him curse that after 7 days that person will die. Takshak will come and bite him. Then he will die. Shamik Rishi he start thinking, who came to me, and you gave curse to whom? Then Shamik Rishi he meditated, and after meditation he understood that king of our kingdom he came, Parikshit Maharaj. Then he said, oh my son, you did so bad thing. If good Raja will be not our kingdom, then who will take care of sadhus? If Raja king is not good, then subject cannot be happy. If king is bad person, if he's taking the tax from the subjects, and then if he is using for his own sense gratification, then the kingdom cannot grow, and the people of the kingdom cannot be happy. And Parikshit Maharaj he is very great person. He said, Rishi said to his son that, oh my son, what you did, without knowing why you give curse to him. Then Rishi he went to the Parikshit Maharaj. He said to Parikshit Maharaj, oh Maharaj, my son he gave curse to you. Please forgive me. After 7 days you will die, he said to Parikshit Maharaj. And when Parikshit Maharaj listened, then Parikshit Maharaj became very happy. Somebody will become happy that listening about his death. Tell me yes or no. If somebody will get news that he will die, if somebody will tell you that after 7 days you will die, you will be happy or not? Anyone become happy listening about his death? Everybody becomes sad. If somebody will hear, they will become sad. We are staying happily in this world. We don't know when we will die. We are very happy in this world. When we will know, today or tomorrow we will die, then we cannot be happy anymore. But see, Parikshit Maharaj, he heard after 7 days he will die. He becomes so happy. Why? Parikshit Maharaj was thinking that Rishi Maharaj he gave me curse. The Rishi words will be always truth. So I will stay for 7 days. We all are sitting here. Is there any guarantee? We will stay for 7 days. We will stay for 7 hours. Is there any guarantee? We can die anytime. Parikshit Maharaj start thinking, 7 days I will stay. I will stay alive. Because sadhu's words, Rishi Vakya, Rishi words, it's always worthy. So Parikshit Maharaj start thinking, what should I do? At the same time,
পৃথিবীর মধ্যে যত সাধু সন্তান সাধুগণ রয়েছে
All the sadhu, he called to all the sadhus. He gave the news to everyone
যে 7 দিন আমাকে কি করতে হবে
what I should do for these 7 days.
রাজার আদেশ পেয়ে পরীক্ষিত মহারাজ
After getting the order from the sadhus,
সভার মধ্যে
in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj, many rishis, many saintly person arrived.
পরীক্ষিত মহারাজ
Parikshit Maharaj,
প্রায় প্রবেশনে বসেছেন
he was sitting.
প্রায় প্রবেশন মানে জল অন্ন আদি ত্যাগ দিয়ে
He left the water and food and he was sitting alone in the nearby the Ganges.
অনেক সাধুগণ তার
Many sadhus, they came at that place.
সেই সাধুর মধ্যে অনেক সাধু এসেছেন
Many sadhus were Karmi sadhu, Jnani sadhu, Jogi sadhu.
অনেক প্রকারের
Many kind of sadhus, they came there.
যে যেমন সাধু সেই সাধু সেই মতো উপদেশ দিচ্ছেন
Like the sadhu have their moods, they were giving the same instruction. Karmi sadhu, he was saying,
যে মহারাজ
"Oh Maharaj, you have so much wealth and property.
লোককে দান
You donate your wealth and property, and with that donation, you will get pious activity. You can give the food, you can give the clothes. There are many kind of donations are mentioned in the scriptures. You will get the pious activities, and with that pious, you will go to the heavenly planets. You can go to heavenly planets. You should collect the pious activities. So you should donate." So Karmi sadhus, they were speaking about the donation, and Jnani sadhus, they said, "You should listen about the scriptures. You will get the knowledge. You will get liberation. With the knowledge, you will get liberation. You should get the scriptures, knowledge about scriptures. You should only get the knowledge for the 7 days. With the knowledge, you will get the liberation." And the yogis, what they given the instruction, you should do meditation, you should do yoga, tapasya, Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga.
আসন প্রাণায়াম
Asana, pranayam, samadhi. You should do all this yoga.
আর তপস্বীগণ বললেন
And tapasi, they said that you should all around you fire, and you sit inside and do meditation. And different sadhus,
তারা
they were giving different instructions. In that same assembly,
মহারাজ বললেন
Maharaj said,
সুখদেব
Shukdev Goswami Pad, he came at that assembly.
সুখদেব গোস্বামী এত দেখতে
Shukdev Goswami, he was so beautiful.
আর তার দুইটি নেত্র চোখ ছিল
His eyes were
অর্ধ মুদ্রিত কমলের ন্যায়।
like lotus.
সুন্দর কৃষ্ণ বর্ণ
Like his color was beautiful like Krishna, Sham Rang.
এত সুন্দর
So beautiful hair,
শরীরে কোনো বস্ত্র ছিল না
and no cloth on his body. Digambar, that is known as
যাকে
Digambar.
যখন সুখদেব গোস্বামী পাদ ওই পরীক্ষিত মহারাজের সভা যখন প্রবেশ
দিগম্বর।
করেন, তখন অনেকে তাকে দেখে হাস্য পরিহাস করছে।
When people in the assembly, they saw the Shukdev Goswami, people were laughing, joking about him.
তাকে ওই ধুলো
Children, what they were throwing stones, and the girls were laughing.
বলে এ কি সাধু
Oh, they were saying, "Oh, this is next sadhu, so long hair. How this is sadhu?" People started laughing, joking about him. But Shukdev Goswami Pad Maharaj,
পরীক্ষিত মহারাজের সভাতে উপস্থিত হলেন
when he was present,
তখন সেই সভা
came in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj. There was Vyasdev Goswami already present. Parashar Rishi was present already there.
অনেক প্রত্যক্ষ মর্মজ্ঞ
And many knowledgeable sadhus were already present there.
সেই সকল ঋষিগণ তারা বুঝতে পেরেছে
So they understood that Shukdev Goswami Pad,
সামান্য বালক
he is not an ordinary boy.
তাই তারা সকলে আসন ছেড়ে উঠলেন
So everybody, they left their asana. Vyas, Parashar, Yagyabalk.
ঋষিগণ তারা কি করলেন
What they did? they left their asan and they stood up, they stand up and they gave, they welcome Shukdev Goswami Pad and gave the highest asan to the Shukdev Goswami Pad. Why? Because they understood that Shukdev Goswami Pad, he is a Palita Shuk. Palita Shuk. What is mentioned in the scripture? Radharani Palit Shuk. Who is Shukdev Goswami Pad? He is the same. So Vyasdev and other, they understood that this is not ordinary Shukdev. So they left their asan, they stand up. So the other who were throwing the stone, mud on the Shukdev Goswami Pad, but the Vyasdev and other they understood and they offered their Danvat Pranam and they welcome Shukdev Goswami Pad. And Shukdev Goswami Pad, he came in that assembly and he sit on the highest asan, and that Parikshit Maharaj, he asked one question. What question he asked? The person who is about to die, what is his responsibility? That Parikshit Maharaj, he replied, he answered, Shukdev Goswami Pad, very humbly he said, the question you asked, my previous Guru Varg have answered to this question. Whatever decision I will give, there can be fault. So that's why I will tell you the answers given by my previous Guru Padma. Same answer I will tell to you now. Yogi means Bhakt. No, not Karma Yogi, Jnana Yogi, other, the Shuddh Bhakt, the pure devotees. The thoughts, the answer which is given by the pure devotees, I will tell to you. You should chant holy names. You should listen Harikatha and Harinam Kirtan. Lord's pastime, Roop, Good and Leela. Bhagavad Naam, Bhagavad Katha, listening of Harikatha, listening of pastimes of Lord. This is the welfare of the person. This is Guru Padma. In Sanskrit it is known as Amnai. In Sanskrit Amnai Vakya. Guru Parampara Prapta Vedvadi. 10 types of Tattva Siddhant. Amnahe Praha. Tadavinnam samsya jivana pratiti kavalitana tadvintam bhavat veda sakalamupi hare sadam suddha bhaktim saddam tatpritiyeve bhutisati janana gungachandra sansa Sachidandan Gaur Hari. He gave this 10 type of instruction. First is Amnai Vakya. Dasmul Tattva, that is known as Datamul. Speak loudly, Dasmul Tattva. If you will go to the market, you will get the Ayurvedic medicine. I need Dasmul, there is medicine. One type of, there is some type of herbal medicine. If you will take that medicine, all type of disease, it will be removed from your body. Very nice medicine. You should take that medicine. 10 mool wrist.
हाँ, तो शरीर ठंडा रखबे
It will keep your body cold.
सब दूर हो जाए
All this heat in the body will go away.
সেই জন্য ভক্তিবিনোদ ঠাকুর
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur
এই জৈব ধর্ম গ্রন্থে
in Jaiv Dharm Granth, he wrote about 10 mool tattva. He wrote about 10 mool tattva.
ঠিক এই কথা আমি যে বলছি গুরু পরম্পরা প্রাপ্ত বেদ বেদবাণী তাকেই বলা হচ্ছে
That is known as Amnai
নিজে
Vakya.
কিছু বললে সেখানে দোষ হতে পারে
If you are speaking by your own, there can be false. But what we are listening from Guru Padma and we are telling to the other, that is known as Shabd Brahm. Shabd Brahm.
একটা হচ্ছে শব্দ
One is Shabd Samanya.
আর একটাকে বলা হয় শব্দ ব্রহ্ম
Shabd Brahm.
মনে রাখবেন
Transcendental
কথা।
sound.
এই যে আমরা জাগতিক যে কথাগুলো নিজেদের মধ্যে আলোচনা করি তাকে কি বলা হয় শব্দ সামান্য বলা হয়।
What we are listening from the material sound. What we are listening from the ordinary people, that is material sound.
ম্যাটেরিয়াল সাউন্ড
Material sound.
আর একটা বলা হচ্ছে
Another one is Shabd Brahma, transcendental vibration.
ট্রান্সেন্ডেন্টাল ভাইব্রেশন প্রাকৃতিক বস্তু
That is transcendental. That is coming from the Golok Vrindavan Dham.
বৈকুণ্ঠ জগতের কথা
That is the katha from Golok.
ভাগবতের কথা আমরা শ্রবণ করতে বসেছি
We are here to listen Srimad Bhagavatam. That is known as,
বৃন্দাবনের কথা
that is the Golok Vrindavanam katha. That is Vaikuntha katha. That is Vaikund words. Vaikund means samachar means news. Vaikund Varta means Vaikund news. Vaikund Varta means Vaikund news.
কি খবর দেখেন
You are.
মারা গেল
We are listening the news. We are watching the news. Or some place flood. Somewhere some person died. Somewhere storm. Somewhere wars. How many people died? Which country will attack? Politician views. You are watching in the news. You are reading the newspaper, or you are watching in the television.
আমাদের পারমার্থিক জগতের মধ্যে বলা হয়েছে
But our Parmarthik, the spiritual news is that is Vaikunda Varta, Vaikunda news.
সমাচার
News from the Vaikunta.
সেই বৈকুণ্ঠের বার্তাটা কি
What is the news from the Vaikunta? I will tell you.
আমরা এই জগতের লোক নয়
We are not from this world. We are not from here.
এই জগতের
We don't belong from this material world.
জগৎটা হচ্ছে
This world is known as, this is prison house. We are staying in the prison house.
বিশ্বাস হচ্ছে
You believe me? This is the prison house of Maya
আমাদের
Devi.
এই কারাগার থেকে মুক্ত হতে হবে
We have to be liberated from this material
কারাগার
world.
থেকে মুক্ত হওয়ার সমাচার এসেছে
The news have came to get liberated from this material world.
মুক্ত হওয়ার কথা বলা হচ্ছে থেকে সংসার কারাগার থেকে মুক্ত হতে
Who want to liberate from this material world? Who want to come out from this material world? Raise your hand.
কারাগার এখন সকল হাত উঠাচ্ছে
Everybody raise your hand.
খুব ভালো লাগছে
So everybody is not raising their hand because some people are still happy here.
ভালো লাগছে কি ভালো লাগছে না
So the people who are not raising their hand means they are happy, still happy in this prison house.
ভালো লাগছে না ভালো লাগছে বলছে
So they are getting beaten by Maya and they are happy. In this prison house, in this Maya world, Maya Devi is punishing, is giving us so much different kinds of sufferings. Adi Devi, so she is giving so much suffering to us. There is one Kirtan. What is the Kirtan?
মায়া তারে দেয় সংসার আদি দেব
There is one Kirtan.
আউন কি
ঠিকাদের যে কাজের স্তরে এসেছিলেন না হয়েছি আপনা যে জন্য আমরা সংসারে এসেছি সংসারে সেই কাজ করলাম না এই সংসারে কি জন্য এসেছে
We have came in this material world for what purpose? To do bhajan of the Lord.
বুঝতে পারছেন
You understand?
এই পুত্র সন্তান আদি পালন পোষণ ঘর মকান আদি তৈরি করার জন্য আমরা আসি না
We have not came in this world to give birth to the child, to take care of our family, to do business. We have came in this material world to do bhajan.
to
do Hari Bhajan.
হয়েছি আপন হারা করবেন ওইটা এই কীর্তনটা করবেন
You read this kirtan, you will feel very nice.
যে বাস্তব আমরা এই সংসারে কি জন্য এসেছি
Why we have came in this material world? We have came in this material world for doing Hari Bhajan. So that's why in Hindi it is said Hari Bhajan. Otne lage kapas.
আমরা সকলে এসেছি হরি ভজনের জন্য
We have came in this material world to do Hari Bhajan, to listen Hari Katha.
অন্য কোনো কাজের জন্য আমরা
Not for any other reason we have came in this material world.
কিন্তু আমরা হরি ভজন ছেড়ে দিয়ে
But we have left doing Hari Bhajan. We are serving Maya Devi.
আচ্ছা যার সেবা করে একটু প্রসন্ন তো হবে
So to whom we will serve, that person will become happy. But Maya Devi, she is never happy. She is even more punishing, more beating you.
কার জাতি এত শ্রম না বুঝিল ভ্রম গাধার মতো আমরা কাজ করে চলি
We are working day and night like a donkey.
বুঝতে পারছেন
You understand?
আর গাধার মালিক পিটাই করছে
And master of donkey, he is punishing, beating him day and night.
ঠিক তদ্রূপ
In the same way, in this material world,
পিটাই
we are punished by Maya Devi. But still, Maya Devi is not happy from us. That's why Shukdev Goswami Pad, he said,
যে আমাদের হরি কথা শ্রবণ শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবত
we should listen Hari Katha, we should listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha.
ভাগবত কথা শ্রবণ
By listening Srimad Bhagavatam Katha,
আর সংসারের মধ্যে
Jiva, he don't need to come anymore in this material world.
এজন্য কি করবেন ভাগবত কথা
So you should all listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha.
যদি ভাগবত কথা শ্রবণ না করেন
If you will not listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha,
মায়া আরো
then again and again Maya will give you punishment. She will beat
এই
you.
ভাগবত কথা আমাদের আজ বিকালে
From today evening, Srimad Bhagavatam will start.
সকলে
Everybody,
ভাগবত কথা যোগদান দেবেন
you should come and listen Srimad Bhagavatam
দেরি করে
Katha.
আসবেন না
Don't come late.
তাড়াতাড়ি আসবেন
Come very fast from 4 p.m. Kirtan will start. 4 p.m. Kirtan will start.
বৈষ্ণব পদাবলী কীর্তন করবে
Vaishnav Padavali Kirtan will start from 5 p.m. Bhagavad Katha will start.
ভাগবত আমাদের শ্রবণ করবে
We should listen Srimad Bhagavatam
শ্রবণ
Katha.
করতে হলে কয়দিন
Not for more days. Only 7 days you have to listen.
7 দিন যদি ঠিক শ্রবণ
If you
করেন
will listen Srimad
তাহলে
Bhagavatam
7 দিনের পর আপনারা
carefully,
এই সংসার বিকার থেকে
then
মুক্ত হয়ে আপনারা
Then you will be-
ভগবত ধামে চলে যাবেন।
come out from the bondage of Maya Devi and you will go to Golok Dham.
এই বার্তা এই সমাচার
So this Vaikunt Varta, Vaikunt News, this is the message back to home, back to Godhead. This is the message from the Vaikunt.
ফিরে যাও যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনারা ঘরে না ফিরছেন
If you will not go back to home,
শান্তি না
till that time you will be not happy.
শান্তি আছে
Are you happy?
শান্তি না বলুন
Say me yes or no.
নাই
Are you happy?
সুখ শান্তি পাবেন কোথায়
Where you will get the happiness and peace? In the Bhagavad Dham.
এই জন্য দেখুন দাপর যুগে এসেন ভগবান
In Dwapar Yuga,
সুন্দর সুন্দর লীলাদি করলেন
he did so many nice,
বললেন
beautiful pastimes. Maharaj ji told about that.
সত্যভাবে করে স্তম্ভে আরোহণ তুমি বল বড় লোক তুমি আমি তুমি উত্তম কৃষ্ণ
In Dwapar Yuga,
সক্ষর আস্বাদন করেছেন
Gurudev,
বড় সখার প্রাণের উপর বসেছেন আবার বড় সখাকে কৃষ্ণ নিজেও প্রাণের
Krishna, he did pastimes with his sakhas.
স্তম্ভে আরোহণ
his friends are climbing on Krishna's shoulder, and the friends, they are fighting with the Krishna. They are fighting with the Krishna. You are not elder than us. You are not bigger than us. Okay, then they are saying, okay, then we are equal. Mother Yashoda, she's taking care of Krishna like his own son, like her own son. And then gopis, what they are doing? Gopigan, they are using abusive words to Krishna. You are a thief. Gobar Chatta. Have you heard Krishna's name is Gobar Chatta? Gobar Chatta. Gobar means cow dung. Chatta means chor, who steal it. Gobar means Gobar. Cow dung. You are lumpert. You are a thief. Krishna is saying the Brahmins who have knowledge of the Vedas with their mantras, they are doing Ved Stuti. With the three swaras, they are doing kirtan. That way, with that mantra, I am not satisfied. But the Gopigan, the gopis, when they are using abusive words to Krishna, then Krishna becomes very happy. If you will caught any thief, if you will caught any thief in the market, what you will do? Everybody will beat that thief. But see, in Braja, Krishna is known as thief. And we are doing stuti of Krishna. Gopigans, what they are doing? They are beating to Krishna. They are offering their pranams to Krishna. The topmost thief is Krishna. And gopis, when they caught Krishna, and they are taking him to the Srimati Radharani. And then Radharani, she will decide. Lalita and Sakhi, they are advocate. Lalita Sakhi and Vishaka Sakhi, they are advocate. They will decide what to do of Krishna. There are so beautiful pastimes. When gopis, they are doing man, then Krishna, then they are holding the feet of the gopis. So beautiful pastimes are mentioned in the scriptures. You will not find these types of pastimes in Braj, not anywhere else. So these beautiful pastimes are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. So much happiness. So we should listen Krishna Leela. When Krishna went to his Golok Dham, then Kalyug starts. When Kalyug starts, you have heard Srimad Bhagavatam many times. Tell me, at the end of Dwapar Yuga, when Krishna, when he finished his pastime and he went to his Golok Dham, at that time Kalyug started. When Krishna, at the end of Dwapar Yuga, when he finished his pastime and went to Golok Dham, at that time Kalyug starts. And Kalyug people, how are their vision? Very low vision. Always criticizing to everyone. They don't have anything to do. Eating, sleeping, and always criticizing to anyone. They can chant holy names. They will not chant holy names. They will. They should chant holy names, but they will not chant holy names. If the person who will not listen Harikatha, if that person will not chant holy names, what they will do? They will criticize to other person. Kalyug people, they have this mentality of to see the faults of others. They cannot see the good in other people. They always see bad in others. They always see fault of other person. So how that people can be liberated from this world? These kind of mentality people have. How they can be liberated from this material world? So Lord, what he is doing? The Puran like a sun. Ark means sun. Srimad Bhagavatam is like a sun. That is he appeared in this material world. Srimad Bhagavatam is Lord himself. Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned Srimad Bhagavatam Pratham Skan. This is mentioned. Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord himself have manifested in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam to liberate the material world, material people. If you will take the shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam, then you will be able to come out from the bondage of, then you will be able to cross this ocean of material world. You don't need to do anything. You should just listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. 7 days if you will listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha, and after and you can take Mahaprasad for 7 days. Shri Chakratirth Gaudiya Math. You should come. Where you will come? Shri Chakratirth Gaudiya Math. You should come, listen Srimad Bhagavatam. You should listen Srimad Bhagavatam Katha, and at the end you will get the Mahaprasad. And where we have came today, Gurudev very dearmost Chandrasekhar Prabhu. He arranged this program very beautifully. From 6:30 we did Nam Sankirtan. We went to many different places. We went to Shiv temple. We prayed to Shivji. And afterwards we went to Gangaji, where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came at that place and he rested at that place. When Krishna, he killed Kansa, in the same way when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after the sannyas, he was going towards Jagannath Puri, and when he came at this place, he rested at this place. So beautiful place. You listen about Gangaji glorification. You touch the Gangaji, you did Achman. Now we slowly came to this place. This is Chandrasekhar Prabhu's place. Every year we are coming to his place. He is doing Vaishnav Seva.
রুচি
He have so much
বলেছে বৈষ্ণব
eagerness to serve Vaishnavas.
নিষ্ঠার হয়েছে কিনা বৈষ্ণব সেবা না করলে
If you will not serve Vaishnavas,
Você não serviu os seus
মায়া থেকে উদ্ধার হয়ে যাবে উদ্ধার হয় না
then you cannot come out from the bondage of Maya.
বৈষ্ণব সেবা।
So you should serve Maya. So Chandrasekhar Prabhu
তার পরিবারবর্গ তার
and his family, his wife,
তার বাসভবনে বৈষ্ণব সেবার ব্যবস্থা করেছে
they have arranged
সেখানে
puran
হওয়ার জন্য
to do service of Vaishnava
এই মন্দিরে
because their place is small,
নাম সুন্দর
so they have arranged.
ভক্তগণে মিলন হয়েছে
So that's why they have arranged. Many Vaishnavas have come here, and now you all can take Mahaprasad here. So now I will finish my words.